This installation video is for a Mitsubishi Spyder from 2006 to 2012. Your Spyder was designed for a wind deflector to fit in seamlessly. You will notice that there are 4 holes in your trim panel for the wind deflector brackets to install into. There are 2 holes on each side of your rear seat. There are another 2 trim holes on the front part of your trim panel, and the barrel bolts slide and lock into these. Put the top panel up and put the seats back, and you're ready to go. Removal of your wind deflector is just as easy. Put your seats forward, put the trim panel down, and then turn the barrel bolt handles to the front and slide them back, and then withdraw the wind deflector. The rear brackets on your wind deflector insert into 2 holes on either side of your back seat. The barrel bolts tilt forward and then slide into the holes. Turn them down to lock them in place. Your wind deflector easily stores in the trunk of your car when not in use.